going to show you how to make a magic flashlight that you could use on boom cards. So I'm going to get started. What you need is Keynote that I have on the Mac here. There might be other programs that you can use, but I use Keynote. So what to do to start is you go to flashlight clip art. It doesn't matter if it's transparent or not, because I'm going to show you how to remove the background. Just what you need is one that doesn't have the light already showing, because you're going to make that on your own. So I'm just going to use this one. This one's good because it's got a flat edge there, which will make sense later. But yeah, so okay, I'm going to go copy and go here to Keynote, copy paste, and I'm going to go ahead and make the background just a random color so that you can see how it's not transparent yet. So what I do is I click this picture, it already opens it to format image, you click instant alpha, and you click, and how it lights up blue is showing you what it's going to get rid of, what background. So I'm just going to drag it so I can try to get all the edges around the flashlight here. Then I let go, I click done, and now it's transparent. So next you're going to go to insert, line, draw with pen. You're going to click where you want the light to start, so in this corner here. Click, let go, and click again to make that line end. And it's showing me down at the bottom, click to draw straight lines, drag to draw curved lines. So now I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm holding my mouse down and I'm clicking to make it curved. And then I click to connect, and you can play around with that, and you can really make any shape using that. So I like to keep my shape pretty simple. Go here to fill, color fill. Am I still in the, okay, yeah. So I'm making it yellow, the color of light, and I like to have no border, but that's up to you. Alright, so that's a pretty good start. Just kind of fixing it up a little. Okay, so now we gotta group it. I click shift, right click, group, and make it small. And the reason why we want to make it small is because the way that it works is, I'm going to open up boom cards. The way that it works is you drag the whole picture, and if you keep going, eventually it comes off the screen. So that's why you want it to be really small, so you can drag it for a while. We want the background to be black, so just click away from the picture, click on the background. It's format slide, and make it black. Alright, now go to File, Export to Images. So I only have one slide, but if you have multiple, what I'm about to tell you is super important. You want to make sure it's from, and click the right slide, whether it's 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. Mine's on slide 1, so I'm going to go 1 to 1. JPEG is fine. Go to Next. Call it what you want. I'm going to call it Flashlight Flashlight T. Alright, so next you're going to right click, new slide, delete all that, go to Insert, Choose. There's my Flashlight T. It saves it as a folder. I don't know why. Alright, so cool. Now we have what we made in slide 1, a picture. But keep that. You need it. You need it for later. But see how it's an image now and you can drag it? That's good. So I'm going to drag it off to the side so I can show you what I'm doing. You can also do that. I'm going to make the background. You can make it any color right now, just so you can see what you're doing. So I'm going to make it this bright green. I'm going to go back here, and now go to right click, ungroup. You only want this light part. You don't want this guy. This guy's done. So copy. I'm sorry. Okay, so copy, paste, and and okay, so I missed a step, but that's okay. What you need to do is click on the picture that you just imported, go to Image, Instant Alpha, and just erase this yellow light part. Nope, too far, like that. Okay, that's very important. See how now it's transparent there? You can see the green background. Well, now you want to drag the yellow from the first picture on top of it and make sure it matches so there's no green or whatever color you chose showing. That's pretty good. I'm not one to worry if things are exact, but if you are, you can always make it bigger and then shrink it again. Okay, so now I just shift. I want to put this together, click the black background and the yellow thing and move it to the center. I left just a little bit so that I can click on this background and change this to 100% opacity. Is that how you pronounce it? Just make it opaque, transparent. So that's good. And now you click this yellow again, and you want to make this transparent, but not all the way because you want the yellow color to still show. So I like to leave it about, I don't know, 63%. And you're almost done. All you got to do now is go to File. You're going to go to Export again, Images, from, see what slide you're working on, from 2 to 2. This is important. Save it as a PNG so that it's transparent. Make sure that's checked. Go to Next, and this is the picture that you're going to put in your boom card. So I'm going to call it this flashlight. So now let's go to boom cards, and I'm going to delete everything so that I can show you. Oh my gosh, come on. I'm still getting the hang of boom cards. Delete. Delete. Okay. Image. Pick an image you want to work with. I got this moth. Image. Drag the image and upload. Find what you saved it as. I called mine this flashlight. Yep. I just want to drag it off to the side so I can make it bigger, but it's, there we go. Okay. I like to make it bigger myself. Got this corner here and drag it to about the size you want. I think that's pretty good. And there we go. That's it.